I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Membrane Solutions brand, their H13 True HEPA Filter Air Purifier. This is the model MS-A3 for large rooms up to 1,590 square feet. That's a huge coverage this has. It's low noise, 22 dB or less, on the sleep mode, and it's 100% ozone free. It has a 90-day return policy and a 2-year product warranty, and it has over 9,000 excellent customer ratings. So this has a really unique filter in here. I'm going to show a breakdown picture of it. It's multiple layers, and HEPA is great because it means that it's going to essentially collect things that are very, very small in size, and it'll allow you to remove 99.97% of pet dander, dust, pollen, smoke, odor, and mold. Improves air quality inside your house, can help you with pet allergies, coughing, sneezing, things like that. And again, this works with a really large room size of 1,590, which is unusual. So this has an updated 3-stage HEPA filter. MS-A3 has, for large rooms, features that 3-stage filtration, pre-filter, H13 True HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter. Has an added what they're calling Odol-Appear technology to optimize the structure and content of the activated carbon. And this will filter out, like I mentioned, 99.9% of particles as small as 0.01 microns, and air pollution, PM 2.5 particulate matter, helps to relieve common allergies. It's also unique. I'm going to show you the display on here, and the display is going to show you when you need to change the filter. And this is also, as I mentioned, 100% ozone free and ETL, FCC, CE, and ROHS certified, which is really nice to see that. Anything you put in your house, you want to get an ETL rating for. So it does come with a simple card that shows you how to remove the filter, and it has a really nicely written instruction manual telling you how to use the whole unit. It's very simple. And then there's even another sheet talking about replacement filters. Now this filter that's in here is unique to this company, and it'll only work with this company filter because it has a magnetic sensor on there. We're going to show you that. It comes with a nice long cord on here with a polarized plug. The cord is about 6 feet long, which I really like. So I'm going to plug this in off camera. You hear it beep just right there. Before I do that, I'm going to show you the filter here. So I'm going to pull this back and allow you to see the actual filter. Let's pan the camera down right here so you can see. There is the filter right there. And when you remove it from the base first, like that. And then when you put a new one in, you're going to slide this up into the unit right there, into the corner at the top there. There's a little notch right there you could see, and that's important to line up. And there's where the magnetic sensor is, so that it knows that you're using the branded filters. But look at the quality of this filter. Multiple stages. It has foam on the side. The back side has this pattern, waffle pattern, polyurethane material on it to keep it taut. Just really, really high quality filter. And then behind the filter you could see what's going on. It has the oversized balance fan motor that's extracting air in a large volume inside there. So the filter goes in on the top first to line up that notch, and hold the top while you're doing that, and then you push in the bottom like that, and you hear a beep because it acknowledges that it has the correct filter. And then you take the cover and you place the cover back on the unit, starting from the bottom, and then you push like that and it locks it in place. Now let's take a look at the simple operation. You notice on the top right here, it has the output port right there, and there's where the air is going to circulate back into the room. And the input to this is all along the sides right here. You can see that there is ventilation right there, and that's what's going to take the air into the unit. Now let's take a look right here at the simple controls. I love how simple this is. Let's move this a little bit on camera right there. You got your power button, and when you first turn it on, it defaults to the low setting, nice and quiet. You could turn the light on and off just like that if you want to have it no light. Here is the setting for the speeds. So the lowest speed right there is essentially the sleep mode. Anytime you want to go to the sleep mode, you just hit that button right there, and you notice that it turned the lights off so that you could sleep. If you want to go to the highest speed at any time, you can always go to the turbo mode, and turbo mode is the highest speed. Now you see this nice display. It'll give the percentage of how much of the filter is left and when you should replace it. I'll have the link to that filter right in the description so you can see that. If you want to use the timer, you have a choice. So simple, you just walk this across. That's the hours that it's on. And you go all the way through, and you can hit it one more time, and then there's no more of a timer on there. There is a reset. If you would hold this down, this will reset the counter and the timer on here when you change the filter. There is a lock button on it. You hold this down, and see the lock is on now. Now it's child safe, so they can't touch it. Now you hold this lock again, and now you could go back to all the different modes that it has. I love the simplicity of this display and the simple power switch on here. Very simple to use. Sleep mode, turbo mode. You can go back and forth quite easily. If you want to clean out a room before you go to bed, you put on turbo, then go to sleep mode, and you'll see that it'll turn off the LEDs and still be running very quiet. I love how they simplified the controls on this. A lot of these filters are complicated and you have to control them from the top. This is on the front top of it, and the nice slope of this allows you to easily gain access to that control panel. So I'm impressed by this. What do we think about the membrane solution? The true HEPA filter, this model M3A3 for large rooms. I love this product. It seems to be engineered very solid. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.